So for a homework, we are still playing the diatonic scale using all the inversions. So in the key of C, we're playing it out through in the key of C. So and then also adding the power chords on the left, as I said. So one does a root chord, first inversion, second inversion, root chord, then go on to minor, root chord, first inversion, second inversion, back to root, and then three. Minor, that's an E minor, first inversion, second inversion, root octave high, then four, which is F, root position, first inversion, second inversion, G, root position, first